Yo, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Fred. Today's video finally got some parts that forward in. Come on now, talk about the coming things. You see me out in forward. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. I did unbox a few things already. Just to make sure everything was there. But want to give a big shout out to David, Hybrid Racing, the whole Hybrid Racing team. Parity for looking out for me, getting me, linked up with them boys, and we gonna unbox some shit. Well, let's see. Matter of fact, let me move all the shit off the table. First thing we have here, Hybrid Racing cold air intake. Release that. Alright. All of your necessary hardware, brackets, couplers, even a breather filter, clamp. On them put everything in it. Alright. That's all the thing for good, huh? And one right there. That's the intake. You got a 4 pressure gauge here. Hybrid Racing. Necessarily for the real conversion harness. Kind of open this on a couple of wires. This here is when you're doing the case swap, obviously, to use the RSX harness into your 92 to 95 CIVIC, also 96 to 98. INTEGRA is the same as EG. Relays, plugs, the loom look really clean. Shift remote plate. Yeah, it's clean. All the hardware. So basically, I'm not doing the under the car up thing. I'm mounting the shifter box right on top, which I think this is the shifter box. All right. This that new V3. Damn, that thing meant so. Yum, bombard. Yo, that like a mud, bombard, please. Okay, this is fuel pressure regulator. I don't know if I should mount it on the rail, up on the body of the Kia, but it comes with all the fittings you need. Like a dash 6 right there, dash 4. All of the mounting hardware. All right, bet. Yeah, man. Figure out where I'm gonna mount that though. Oil cap. This wristband. I have to say these one of the best air filters right there, man. I mean air fresheners. I'm tripping, bro. Next box. Some appeal shirts. Paperwork. This is the dip. Hybrid razor dipstick. I think this like locks it down. No vibration makes it pop up. Some more air freshener, boy. Coming out while I'm buckled now. Oh my God. Y'all think I'm not buckled throughout it. Good. I might have to spray my old stone with this body. Yeah, man. This is the fuel rail. I mount the gauge right here, and I don't know if I should mount the. I think they have a fitting that. Yep. You can mount the. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Yeah. I'm tripping, but they got more fittings right here. Lock off. I'll just screw it on this one. I'll figure that shit out. Should I can feed the fuel from the center? From the sides. Okay, core back forward. That's cool. I got one more box. Cables. Must needed to get that smooth transaction. I ain't got no heat, so this is gonna be running right through the heater core on the firewall. I've been doing some off-camera upgrades. Got the AC power steering delete, alternator relocator, DAS 16 thermostat housing. One of my good friends from Georgia sent me this clean powder coated timing cover. I'm still waiting on another shitload of parts. Skunk 2 Ultra, spacer, the upper water neck cooler, this thing, whatever you call it. Still waiting on a bunch of stuff. I'm actually wrapping the exhaust galley folder right now. I got 2 runners down. So that's what I'm gonna work on for the rest of the day. I was giving you guys an update on what we got going on over here. Whole lot of parts. Still waiting on a whole lot of more. I gotta take this H2B out, take off the whole front, fenders, bumper, bonnet, bring it down south to my brother David so he can repaint the bay before I even do anything else. That's one of the main things I want to do. Knock off the gearbox mount right here. Just to forget knock how dirty this shit is, bro. You tell I don't drive this car every day to go pick up my daughter. This ain't no garage queen right here. This bitch drives.
Big hit the beat, so you know you make it nasty.
Build it brick by brick, marathon not a sprint. Hustle hard to click, we know it's money to get. We know it's hundreds to flip. Fuck a chain, we investing in cribs. Generate value, then leverage that bitch. Double it up and then do it again. This is meditation mixed with dedication. Opportunity, meet preparation. This a declaration to my generation. In my book of rhymes, I flip the pages, searching for the perfect words to masticate. This why you acting different, bitch, I'm activated. Build my foundation, fuck the decorations. Always motivated, niggas love to hate. I come around, these niggas be all in they feelings. These bitches, they want my attention. I see the hidden intention. When I come around, I can feel all the tension. I feel the energy shifting. Niggas starting at the diff. When I come around, when I come around, when I come around, vroom vroom bitch, I skirt off. Why my shoulder brush a third off? Nigga only move with purpose. Time is broad, it ain't purchase. When I come around, they get nervous. Clown niggas for the circus. Touch the stove, you get burned, bruh. Guess you niggas never learn. Smoke the dope, it's all in my lungs. Breathe slow till it feels.
Yeah, guys, thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for liking the video, sharing it. This is just an update. Got all the parts for hybrid. Still waiting on a lot more. The only thing I need to actually have to swap like running is a tuck harness, injectors, axles, and a ECU. Can't afford no AEM. So gotta stack up some more bread. I can purchase those things. From that, big shout out to Hybrid Racing, David. I appreciate you, brother. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.
When I come around, go get it, no limit, don't with it, authentic, no give me, so get it, prolific, committed, and he cold with it. Young nigga broke the code with it, young nigga broke the mold with it, and I always put my soul in it. Won't stop till they put me in a hole, nigga. When I come around, got you on froze, nigga. I'm the one and I know that you know, nigga.